The New Mexico Legal Group wants you to understand your divorce options. So now that you have discussed your divorce, what you need to know about the different types of divorces. So here with more attorneys, David Crum and Jessica Roth. Good morning, you two.
Good morning, Casey.
All right, you're welcome. We're gonna get you on your way. We know you guys are super busy. Let's talk about the options, though. There's really like 4 options when it comes to divorce. Is that right?
Well, really today, people have more choices than ever. So what you do with your divorce is only limited by how creative you want to be or how creative your legal counsel wants to be. But yes, generally we look at it as having an uncontested divorce where you may or may not have legal counsel. There's an option for mediated divorce, what is called collaborative divorce, and then you have traditional divorce, which we usually think of as divorce litigation.
Okay, and that's where you come in, Jessica. You're a fan of the traditional divorce, is that right?
Well, my preference would be a out-of-court collaborative divorce. Okay. Some people do need to resolve their issues in a courtroom in a traditional manner, but if they can avoid it and work with their spouse in a collaborative divorce, that is a really great way to go.
Okay.
In order to do that, each party needs to consult with a collaboratively trained attorney who has special training in the collaborative model.
Okay. Collaborative divorce, is that the one you kind of usually see in the movies? They're in the conference room at the table, both parties, the husband and wife with their, is that the collaborative divorce going down?
Yeah, that's
conference room style? Okay.
Yeah, the collaborative model is a team-based approach where everybody agrees and signs a contract to actually stay out of court and take ownership of their decision-making in resolving the dissolution of their marriage and how they're going to share their children and how they're going to move on to these next phases of their lives.
And really the most powerful part of that is that the parties themselves and their lawyers are making the rules. So they decide how fast something happens, how they exchange documents, how they handle their custody issues. And that really is the power of collaborative divorce. It's taken the power out of the court and put it back into the hands of the clients, and that's why we like it so much.
Okay. With collaborative divorce, who is usually a fan of it? I mean, anyone can really do that type of divorce, but what kind of clients do you usually see for this type of divorce? Do they usually have kids? Do they have property, retirement? Is it those types of things you're seeing?
They don't have to have children. Generally, the clients that are fans do have property, retirement issues to deal with, but they are clients who want to keep their business out of court.
Gotcha.
They don't want to air their dirty laundry.
There you go. No one wants to do that, right?
No?
Yeah, I would say that more than what type of case, it's the type of person.
Okay.
So people who want to work together to do this and want to continue to communicate are really the best candidates for it.
Okay. All right, let me give out your guys' good information for more questions. People are watching and they want to call you guys. It's 843-7303. Of course, they're online as well. NewMexicoLegalGroup.com.